This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business Minute podcast, the Becker Private Equity podcast. Here are 8 stories that we're following this morning. First, Bob Iger, the CEO of Disney, is under fire already from activist investors who think he's not doing enough and needs to make some changes. He's working at it. He's the brand new CEO again, returning as CEO. He sort of booted out the CEO that had succeeded him, and he's back at it, and he's taking fire from lots of different places. Second, inflation is still at 6.5%, at least the CPI is. Core inflation is a little bit lower. The markets are pondering with this inflation read the next move and what that's going to mean. Third, Tesla, for all the negativity being thrown at Tesla, it is up 446% over the last 5 years. Yes, it's down 60% over the last 52 weeks, but up 445% and 56% over the last 5 years. As Musk stops selling shares in Tesla, we'll see if that helps Tesla find a better spot in the stock market and as Twitter starts to get under control. So it'll be fast to see what this year brings for Tesla. Fourth, we are thrilled to have Mark Cuban, Martha Stewart, Larry Bird, and Magic Johnson speaking at the Becker's Healthcare Annual Meeting in April. Even better, we're excited to have General Catalyst leader and Dr. Stephen Klasko, long-term CEO of the Jefferson Health System, and Janice Spiso, one of the great CEOs in the country, CEO of UCLA, speaking as keynotes and keynote panels. Fifth, excited to see the Becker's Healthcare podcast ranked 15 to 20 in the Business Suite Podcast Daily on Apple. Glad to see that, right with the Wall Street Journal, Yahoo Finance, and other great names. Sixth, the car shortage is starting to come to an end. You're starting to see car companies advertise again, cut deals again. Used car prices have fallen again. It's really fascinating to watch. And the chip makers basically say that they're no longer a bottleneck in getting cars built, that there's no longer the massive chip shortage that there was. Seventh, home sales are way down, and we'll see how long that continues. We've got lots of family members, lots of people in the real estate business all concerned about this. Eighth, thrilled to see explosive growth in the newly launched Becker Business Minute podcast. Super concise episodes, 1 to 3 minutes, 3 to 4 times a day. Listen wherever you listen to podcasts. Yesterday's podcast on the 12 rules for middle-aged or adult sports did tremendously well. Just satire and business listening about some of my buddies that call bad lines and some of them that have handicaps that are ridiculous, that are sandbaggers and so forth and so on. But listen to that when you get a chance. Thank you. But most of the episodes are in true business topics. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business Minute, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Thank you very much.